Hello YouTube, for today's vlog I will show you how to get a free voiceover for your videos, without spending any money. But before we go to the website, let me tell you the reasons for using a voiceover. A professional voiceover can help call your audience to take action. Your video will sound as great as it looks. You can interact with international viewers. Your videos will sound more professional. And if you are shy, a voiceover can be your temporary voice until you get the confidence that you need. Without further ado, I will now walk you through the website. Open your Google Chrome and type https://dtsmp3.com/. The website is very basic. All you need to do is type the word, phrase or paragraph, then the website will convert it into your voiceover recording. You have the read option so I can hear and revise if needed. You also have different voice character with different accent from Arabic to Welsh English, very neat. So once done, you can now click download as MP3 then, get the file from your download folder. The only downside with this website is it has a 3,000 character limit per day, but you can use different devices. So there. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.